In this video guide, we'll discuss parametric MakerWorld models and how to use them to print models customized for your exact needs. No CAD or modeling skills necessary. Let's take this parametric sorting tray as an example. This seems like a perfect model to customize, to store kitchen utensils neatly in a drawer. Press the Customize button to open the Model Maker. We'll start by measuring our longest and widest utensils to get an idea for the size of the overall sorting tray. The widest utensil is a spoon at about 40 millimeters, and the longest is a butter knife at about 215 millimeters. This parametric model has 5 different sections, which each contain parameters specific to this example. Let's start with the dimensions section. We'll set the length and width parameters each to 240 millimeters. After changing each parameter, we can hit the Generate button to preview its effect. We'll set the height to 40 millimeters, which is a little higher than our utensils will be stacked on top of one another. Next, under the Grid section, we'll set columns to 5, rows to 1, col span to 1 since we don't want any columns merged. Press the Generate button to update the model and 3D preview. Press the Build Plate button to update the build plate to that of your printer, just to make sure your item fits. And then download and select your printer so it is the preset in the 3MF file. Once the 3MF file is downloaded, open it in Bambu Studio. Slice the model and send it to print. Once the print is done, our new, completely customized utensil tray is ready to organize our messy drawer. We can find other parametric designs on MakerWorld by going to All Models and using the Parametric tag. These parametric designs were created using certain 3D modeling programs, such as OpenSCAD, which allow designers to program in the model's design and parameters, which can later be modified by the user, as we did with our utensil tray.